ഞാൻ തേടിയതെല്ലാം നേടേണ്ടതല്ലെന്നും ഞാൻ നേടിയതെല്ലാം സ്വർഗീയമല്ലെന്നും ഞാൻ ഓടിയതെല്ലാം വഴി നോക്കിയല്ലെന്നും ഞാൻ കൈവിട്ടതെല്ലാം ഗുരു തന്നതാണെന്നും അറിയുന്നു ഞാനീ നിമിഷം അഭിഷേകമൊഴുകുന്ന നിമിഷം. cut. Supposed to be like earned. Whatever I earned, it's not like heavenly or like what how do I explain it? Whatever I earned, it's not pure in nature. So like, and wherever I ran, I didn't look at the right direction, and whatever I left, it was what I was granted by my master, basically God. And then that's what I realized in this moment, that I'm so overflown with like realization.
Can you dance now?
No. I'm with this Madhubani.
No, it's a Gondat.
Gondat?
Yeah.
Is that like tribal art?
Yeah.
I wish I knew about tribal art.
It's like your hair. Hey, I like your hair, Amma. That's why I'm like.
At first half, I didn't use blending stuff, and then whatever I did, I couldn't make it look like a photo. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give up, and then I used this stuff. But does it look good?
Yeah, it's good. I don't know who is he. Anjali, your hairstyle is nice.
Me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Shampoo commercial.